After breakfast, I usually go outside and play outdoor games and sports to stay fit during lockdown and be healthy. Moreover, I also play video games on my phone and sometimes on PS4. After playing games, I pray Zohar prayer. Then I usually spend time with my friends watching TV and doing fun. I then continue to start working on my assignments, which are usually a lot nowadays since final exams are near. After I am done, I usually make a cup of tea and relax to get fresh. Furthermore, I go and spend some time with my pets for a while. I come back and have a bath to feel fresh and offers Asr prayer. After that, I go outside to spend some time with my friends and have a little drive around town. After returning home at night, I offers remaining prayers and have a dinner with my family to spend some time with them. Then around usually at 11:30 p.m. I go to my bed to finally rest since I wake up for my morning prayers the next day, and this is my everyday routine. Thank you guys for watching.